Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to remove your password from Windows 10. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. First, on the search box that appears down here, you type sign in options. Then you'll be led to this page. You scroll down and enable this option to be never, or you can simply go here, click on password, click on change password. Now enter the password that you've currently set for your Windows 10 device, then tap on next. So if you want to change your password, you enter your new password, confirm your new password, and set a password hint for whenever you forget your password. However, if you want to remove your password altogether, then you leave all of these blank and click on next, click on finish. So if you shut down your device again, it will not ask for your sign-in information or your password. It will show a sign-in button instead, which you can simply click on, and then you'll be logged into your computer. And that's how you can remove your password from Windows 10. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.